Hello everyone, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss on OPPO Reno 13 Pro official launch, specs, OPPO Reno 13 Pro unboxing. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro 5G, launched in India on January 9, 2025, is a feature-rich smartphone that offers a blend of performance, design, and advanced camera capabilities. Design and display. The Reno 13 Pro boasts a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a resolution of 1272 by 2800 pixels, delivering a dynamic 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. It offers a pixel density of 450 ppi and can achieve up to 1200 nits of brightness. The Pro model is encased in an aerospace-grade aluminum frame, providing durability and a premium feel. Performance. Under the hood, the device is powered by the 4nm MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, ensuring efficient performance. It comes equipped with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and offers up to 512 GB of UFS 3.0 storage, making it suitable for multitasking and heavy storage needs. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on the Reno 13 Pro, which boasts a triple rear camera configuration. This includes a 50MP Sony IMX890 main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, a 50MP telephoto sensor with 3.5x optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom, and an 8MP sensor. For selfies, there's a 50MP front camera, perfect for high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. The device houses a robust 5,800 mAh battery, supporting 80W wired fast charging, ensuring quick power-ups. Price and availability. In India, the OPPO Reno 13 Pro 5G is priced at 49,999 Indian rupees for the 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage variant, with the 12 GB plus 512 GB version available at 54,999 Indian rupees. Color options include graphite gray and mist lavender. The device is available for purchase via Flipkart and OPPO's online store. Unboxing experience. Upon unboxing the OPPO Reno 13 Pro, users are greeted with the device itself, accompanied by essential accessories such as a protective case, a USB Type-C charging cable, an 80W SuperVOOC fast charger, and a SIM ejector tool. The packaging reflects OPPO's commitment to providing a premium experience right from the first touch. In summary, the OPPO Reno 13 Pro 5G stands out as a compelling choice for those seeking a high-performance smartphone with advanced camera features and a sleek design. Thanks for watching.